Alex, where are we?
You know we want to bring it, like I said,
Where are we?
wanted to bring it back.
We're at Otay. What are we doing right now?
Fucking shit up, nigga. We're turning all the lights off.
You heard it from Alex.
We want to make this assembly a tradition, not an assembly where we got to keep cutting it because idiots keep throwing things onto the floor.
Hey, freshmen suck. Real shit.
In the history of the Sweetwater District, he is the only wrestler that has been a finalist 2 different years. That award and banner goes to Tommy Espinoza.
Yo, the lightning every day, homework every day. Now it's on the day and I'm a little fine day. 2013, BMOC, so come and get down with me. I love all of y'all, my Mustang family.
Good time.